Let's learn what is the machine learning workflow if anyone asks in the interview, right? One is, for example, the optimization, loss, learning rates. These are all related to the training models. Embeddings, NLP, attention mechanism. These are all related to natural language processing, which is again NLP. The tools like PyTorch, FastAPI, OpenCV, these are all frameworks or library basically, which are used to implement these concepts. Okay, next. Basically, what is PyTorch? PyTorch is a flexible framework that you can use for a wide range of machine learning tasks, including the NLP, computer vision, and more. It's basically a framework. Like NLP and computer vision are just different domains within machine learning language. And PyTorch is just a framework or a tool that you can use to build these models. What models? The NLP and the computer vision, for example, like that. For example, if anyone asks, what did you exactly do in the machine learning? You can say that over the past 2 years, I worked on building and deploying machine learning models that improved our product's recommendation system, resulting in a 15% increase in a user engagement. So, for example, you can say that PyTorch is basically used for building and training your machine learning models. And you can also see our approach involved data pre-processing using libraries like pandas and numpy to clean and prepare the data. Then you can also talk about how you have designed and trained the models, and also how you have tuned the hyperparameters to improve performance, and evaluated the results using metrics like accuracy or precision. And then you worked with the deployment tools or collaborated with engineers to integrate these models into the production using frameworks like FastAPI. Now, if they ask how exactly did you do that, you can again drill down to you got the data basically from a data warehouse or maybe from an ETL team. You could say that you pull all the data into a pandas data frame. Then you might describe how you handled missing values by using methods like filling them with mean or median, or how did you drop rows that had too many missing values. You can also mention that you use data normalization or scaling to make sure all the features were on a similar scale before training. Data normalization or scaling. And when it comes to training the model, you can explain that how you have split the data into training and test sets. And also how did you use PyTorch to define a neural network architecture. And then how did you train it using an optimizer like Adam and a loss function like cross entropy. Finally, you could talk about how you iterated the model by evaluating its performance on the test set by making adjustments based on the results. So basically all this kind of details shows a clear understanding of the entire workflow from data collection to data modeling, training and evaluation. That's it.